to my in-depth and honest FreeBcash review. In this FreeBcash review, I will discuss what FreeBcash is, how FreeBcash works, its demo, features, pricing, upgrades, everything. And I will also give my special bonuses worth over $30,000. So keep watching. What is FreeBcash all about? FreeBcash is a brand new automated 3-click done-for-you system that allows you to make money giving away freebies and turn it to cash without selling any product. Do you ever find yourself wondering how to get started with your own business? I know that many people think starting their own business is hard, but it doesn't have to be. FreeBcash offers a new way of doing things, an automated cloud-based software that gets you paid by giving away world-class done-for-you products for free. Easy and requires no experience or product creation. Create multiple income streams on complete autopilot. Fast proven results. See results within an hour of getting started. So why not try this amazing program and see if it will work for you? So grab FreeBcash now with discount. I want to show you something. See, the front end price is $17, but when you try to cross it, you will get 4% off and the price is only $13. Yes? And you will also get my exclusive bonuses nearly worth of $30,000. Here is my exclusive bonuses worth of $30,000 plus real world value. You will get YouTube Velocity. You can unlock, set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. You also get MIF. MIF puts the wine at their campaign bag, glides it over 3 gigantic platforms. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertips. And we are going to show you how to turn this traffic into cold hard commissions. MIF is actually discovery ad course and bonus page generator software. You also get Gina. Gina is software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. Includes high converting done for you campaigns to promote and monetize the free flowing traffic. This is a complete plug and play push button solution. Another one is Genobia. Genobia solves the 2 biggest challenges that all newbies face: how to get buyer traffic and how to turn it into daily commissions with the hottest selling offer in 2021. Another one is Cleopatra. This software to online gold, uncovering buyers where no one else is looking. Unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it. Cleopatra automates this profit strategy on LinkedIn. Another one is Golden Stats. Golden Stats unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again, flipping domains. You also get Tweetex. Tweetex is a software automated traffic on Twitter plus bonus pages generator software. You will also get affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. Another one is Forget About Broke. Forget About Broke is an incredibly unique strategy invented by Johnny Rose that gets newbies sales consistently in their spare time without any experience or technical skill. Another one is Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension which allows users to follow targeted audiences on TikTok, done for you offers on the front end along with the step-by-step training, top a high converting squeeze and thank you page, and there are lots more you can check. See, you can check it out. I have put my special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out. Now we will talk about the overview of FreeBcash. FreeBcash is launched by Sean Josiah and the launch date is 25th August. The front end price is $17 and there are huge bonuses nearly worth of $30,000, and this is perfect for both newbies and experts. They will offer 30-day money-back guarantee. This is making money suit, and my personal rating about this product is 9.7 out of 10, and this is highly recommended. Now let's talk about the features inside of FreeBcash. Brand new automated software based on the cloud. Get paid by giving away world-class done-for-you products for free. Zero product creation, content creation or work required. Let the software work for you 24/7 by 365. Create multiple income streams on complete autopilot. Has 100% free high-quality traffic generation built in. 100% beginner friendly, 100% satisfaction, get paid for helping people, zero maintenance cost, affordable monthly subscription, pay once, fast proven results, see results within an hour of getting started. Now we will talk about the working steps of FreeBcash. You need to perform only 3 simple steps to make this software work for you. Step 1 is select done for you freebie offer. You have to select one of their world-class done for you freebie giveaways. And step number 2 is add your affiliate link. You have to add your affiliate link so the additional product they recommend on the backend gets you paid. And step 3 is click go to the generate viral traffic and sales and watch your profits and list explode as your free information helps regular people. Yes, it is that easy. Now, what you are expect inside the FreeBcash? We will talk about it now. FreeBcash includes 100% done for you giveaways that solve common problems. Your prospects will love you for giving them free help. And drag and drop opt-in page creator so you can build your email list faster than a speeding bullet without the need for any technical skill. And easily ramp things up by adding your own freebie products should you wish to help even more people in multiple niches. And automatically generate commissions and sales through the automated funnel while recommendations are processed, no selling required. Get hordes of hungry visitors flooding your giveaway pages simply by clicking the mouse to launch the automated traffic generation tool. The simplest way to make money online, period. Now it's time for the FreeBcash review demo preview. This is the demo video. I don't want to elaborate my video. I have put the demo video link in my description. You can check it out and see the demo video. Now we will talk about the autos and funnel background of FreeBcash. The front end one is FreeBcash membership. This is worth of $17. In front end one, you will get making money on the side without selling products. FreeBcash is a 3-click automated system that operates to provide you with an opportunity to profit of giving products away for free. Within the blink of an eye, this done-for-you system will automatically create voucher codes, affiliate links and videos. So all you have to do is just sit back, relax and earn cash while giving their free stuff as a good Samaritan. Free done-for-you system, automated 3-click system. Never take a loss on a sale again and generate more sales and traffic. Auto 1 is unlimited version and this is worth of $67. This upgrades lets you remove all the limits in the front end, unlock additional features to dominate, run unlimited FreeBcash sales engine and supercharge results up to 100x. Auto 2 is done for you. This is worth of $127. This upgrade gives you customers a hands-free experience where they set up everything for them, including done-for-you products and 4 fresh done-for-you campaigns in top niches, done-for-you bonus, done-for-you SEO optimization, setup and general final tune. Just deploy and start making money, no technical skill required. Auto 3 is high ticket maximizer. This is worth of $97. This upgrade equips customer with the how to get high ticket commissions. Simply plug and play the pre-selected high ticket items to make $1,000 commissions per sale. Auto 4 is traffic booster. This is worth of $67. This upgrade allows customer to ride on their traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from the internet. They place customers' pixel to the back end of their sales pages. Customers get high quality data from them for retargeting or highly targeted buyer data, and customers can retarget or create look-alike audiences based on their done-for-you traffic data and make tons of targeted high EPCS commissions. And plug and play data provider. Auto 5 is franchise license. This is worth of $497 and the downsell price is $97. This upgrade grants members the license to sell Phoebe Crash as their own and keep 100% of the profits for themselves, without the need to create any landing pages, write any copies or create any content. Auto 6 is Passive Income Masterclass. This is worth of $47 and the downsell price is $27. This upgrade equips member with the skill to generate passive hands-free income through their specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And Auto 7 is multiple streams of income masterclass. This is worth of $47 and the downsell price is $27. This upgrade equips members with the skill to create multiple streams of income through their 7 specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. Now it's time for my final verdict about Phoebe Cash. So I have concluded everything about Phoebe Cash. It's a brand new automated cloud-based app software that gets you paid by giving away world-class done-for-you products for free. Zero product creation, content creation or work required. The software works for you 24/7 by 365. All it needs your personal information and voila, and instant passive income whenever you want it. I highly recommend it for both newbies and experts. So grab Phoebe Cash now with discount and also get my exclusive bonuses worth of $30,000. I have put the special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out. And thanks again for checking my Phoebe Cash review. Wishing you a very healthy and wealthy life.